Step number 1. Clamp your workpiece in the vise. Place the parallel bars in the vise to support your workpiece. Then clamp your workpiece, turning the knob clockwise. Once it's tight, make sure to secure it at least 2 times. 1, 2, to ensure that the workpiece does not fly out during the process. Next, for the second step, we are going to set up the fly cutter in the spindle. If you notice, there is a groove on the fly cutter. This groove is supposed to be aligned with the guide screw or lock screw in the spindle. So using your finger, locate the lock screw in the spindle first and position the fly cutter in such a way that the groove is aligned with the lock screw. And once you have aligned the position of the groove and the lock screw in the spindle, just slide the fly cutter in the spindle and tighten the screw on the head until you can't tighten it anymore. Next, you want to take the 19 ring spanner and further tighten the screw on the head. Holding the lock down, tighten the screw by rotating the spanner in a clockwise direction. Finally, after we have set up the fly cutter, make sure the sleeve is locked. We can do this by locking the sleeve lock by pushing this lever downwards. And now, we are ready to proceed with our squaring process.